Hi everyone, this is Mrs. R. Suriya Devi, Assistant Professor of Commerce, SFR College for Women, Sivagasi. So in this video, we are going to discuss about financial inclusion and overview. First, let us discuss what is financial inclusion. So financial inclusion is a process of ensuring access to appropriate financial products and services needed by the section of the society in general and vulnerable groups such as weaker sections and low income groups in particular at an affordable cost in fair and transparent manner by the mainstream of institutional players. Next, let us discuss about the objectives of the financial inclusion. The first and foremost objective is it leads to increases in savings, investment and thereby spurs the process of economic growth. The foremost next objective is it is a platform to inculcate the habit of saving, especially among the low income people category. Then the next objective is it helps to create an avenues of formal credit of the unbanked to the needful people who always dependent upon their family members, friends and money lenders at a high rate of interest. Then availability of timely and adequate transparent credit to all the entrepreneurs. Then the financial inclusion has now been viewed as a remedy for and plug gaps in leaks the distribution to government benefits and subsidies to direct benefit transfers to the beneficiaries bank account rather than in the form of cash payments. Thus, and on whole, financial inclusion has a potential to bring the unbanked masses into the formal banking system. There are various models of financial inclusion. There are mostly 10 models. So now we are following BC model and Kaishok model in the financial inclusion. So first let us discuss about the BC model. So what is BC model means? They will appoint an authorized agent from the bank in the remote or underserved areas where setting up the branches is not possible. Then these are the clippings of BC model followed in various villages by the banks. Why BC model? Because we cannot install or we cannot reopen bank in the remote areas, it will incur high cost. So BC model is affordable. It will bring the banking closer to the customers by acting as intermediaries. It facilitates access to the financial services like deposits, withdrawals, remittance and account opening. Then let's discuss about the key features of BC model. Who will act as a BC means the local individuals, NGOs, retail shops or microfinance institution appointed by the banks only can be a BC. Services provided. So what are the services they can provide means open accounts, deposits, withdrawals, fund transfers, dispersing small loans and other bill payments. What technology they are using is they are using mostly the handheld devices or biometric scanners or mobile phones and so on. Who are the target people means mainly the unbanked sectors are in the rural or urban area or semi-rural urban areas. What regulatory framework means only the RBI forms will be followed as a regulatory framework. Then let us discuss about the Kaishok model. The Kaishok model involves setting up of small physical outlets or Kaishok machines in the underserved or remote areas to provide basic financial services. So these are the clippings of Kaishok model in the remote areas or villages adopted by the banks. Then let us see about what are the features followed by the Kaishok model. Physical outlet they are following is a small location or they are installing the Kaishok machines. Technology they are used is the digital devices. So what are the services they are offering is basic banking transaction, loan application assistance, bill payments and some financial advisors. How staffing is appointed is trained Kaishok operators or agents appointed to help the customers in that locality. Location is only the remote semi-urban areas as followed by the BC model. Why these models are followed by the financial inclusion means the KYC requirements have been simplified by the Reserve Bank. So it is easy to follow the financial inclusion in the remote areas. See, the RBI has allowed Aadhaar to be used as one of the eligible document for meeting the KYC for opening a bank account. So it is easy to follow the financial inclusion in the remote areas. Then how that financial inclusion can be taken forward to the next level means they can use the technology, like they can expand from the Kaishak or agent to a mobile and digital finance. Regulation, they can innovate with more customer production. So agent networks, scale BC or agent models are partnerships. How they can engage the financial literacy to people means they can arrange many education and awareness program to that backward people. Product design is, it should be tailored at affordable products. Then other ways is infrastructure, they can improve the connectivity and digital access. Data and analytics, how they can be maintained is, they can use the help of AI. Inclusivity, they can focus on marginalized group alone. Sustainability, they can build scale and profitable models. How they can monitor means they have to appoint an agent or a person, have to track and they can evaluate the outcome then and there. So these are the basic necessities which can be taken a financial inclusion to one way forward or to one next level. Thank you.